Hello everybody. Today we will discuss how to add text search in our drop down. So firstly we will take a new URL, then we will add slicer, then we will give it a name. We will convert it into drop down. Okay, it's not clear, right? So firstly we will increase the text. So size. Yeah, now it's visible now. See, there is a data that it's showing in our drop down. So suppose we want to search by the text box. We want to search all the name that would start with M. So how we will do it? That's when we click on three dots, it's give you on a search option. Click on it. But by this way, this add search over here. When you will write over here M, see all the names start with M displaying over here. Suppose I'm searching A like this way. So in simple way, just click on three dots, give the search, then it show you the search text area, then records will display accordingly. Sometimes what happened, this drop down is based on the numeric values, right? So this our Power BI will not provide any kind of search text in that area. See, let's see. I'm taking one more data. And I added this. When I convert it in drop down, it's showing me years, right? But if I want to search in this area, this Power BI not provide you the search filter. So it's providing the slicer or more, less than equals to, greater than equal to, so we can use that. But in the numeric values, Power BI not providing you the search bar. Okay, so because sometimes what happens, the people start searching that search is not showing over here. So there is some issue or something, but it's not. When you providing the value as a numeric value or something, then it's not providing you the search filter over here. Okay, see over here there is a text part, or we can say the nvarchar or something like that it's providing you the search criteria. Okay, maybe you will understand that where we are not using search or something, or how you have to add search in your drop down. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.